Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Chow. It's your favorite girl. Today, we're going to be making carbonara, but with a Japanese twist. So, carbonara is honestly one of the easiest dishes you can make. It is so good. I make this all the time at home, and honestly, it only involves like less than 10 ingredients. Shall we get started? Let's do it. For today's ingredients, what we're going to be using is smoked bacon, parmesan, reggiano, cheese, some nori, eggs, onion, scallion, garlic, dashi powder, some miso paste, red chili, and a lemon. The noodle that I'm using today is classic spaghetti noodle. If not spaghetti, my other favorite is spaghettini. We're gonna start by boiling our water first. Heat that sucker up. Okay, finally. No, not yet. Our water's ready. We're gonna open this lid, grab our spaghetti noodle. Why are you laughing so hard? Grab some salt. Grab the oil. Do a little drizzle. Okay, whatever. They know how to make, okay, you guys know how to make noodles, okay? Don't break your noodle. We're gonna cook this for 7 to 8 minutes until al dente. I'm just gonna pop it on the back. Now we're gonna start on our bacon. Heat up a nonstick pan, add a little bit of some olive oil. Now that our oil's heated up, add in our bacon. I like to use a smoky bacon for extra flavor. It smells so good. Okay, while we let our bacon cook, we're gonna start on the sauce. What we're going to do is take an egg, about 3 eggs, one more. You know, that worked. Grab a yolk. Beautiful yolk like that. Pop that in. Now we're going to add in our cup of freshly grated Parmesan Reggiano with a little bit of some Irish cheese as well for extra nuttiness and flavor. To make it more Japanese inspired, what we're going to add is some miso paste, some dashi powder for extra umami. Who doesn't love some good umami flavor? For the next part, we're gonna add a little bit of some cream. Make it a little bit more creamy, and it adds extra delicious richness to the dish. Now, we're going to mix it up. Make sure our bacon doesn't burn. Be careful. I like to cut the bacon in about 1-inch pieces so that I have thick pieces per bite and it's not just small little pieces. Oh, that looks absolutely delicious. Towards the 2-minute mark of the bacon, we're gonna add in some onion. And we're also going to add in some garlic. This process we want to cook quickly, 7 to 8 minutes, so that right as our pasta is done, we can take it off the stove and throw it in right away. The great thing about this dish is that it cooks very fast. In total, this dish should probably only take you about 15 minutes, and you want to eat it fresh right away. So back to our egg mixture. We're going to continue to whisk until it is very smooth. If you find that it's not as smooth as you want it to be, I just like to add a little bit of water. Okay, that looks good. For the next part, we're gonna take a Thai chili for a little bit of spiciness. I feel like in every good dish, it's good to have just a little bit of heat. We're gonna add about 1 Thai chili pepper. Make sure you don't touch your eyes after, or else it will be burning. Oh, beautiful. Okay, I think the timer went off. We're gonna check our noodles. Very good. Now look at our bacon. It looks absolutely delicious. It's crisp, it's fragrant. We're going to turn down the temperature, and we're just about ready to add in our noodle. Next up, grab a lemon. In every good dish, there's always some good acidity to it. So we're going to squeeze about half a lemon into our mixture. In any good carbonara, there's always lots of pepper. So crack some generous amounts of pepper in here. We're not going to be using any salt because there's salt from the bacon, salt from the miso. So we don't need any additional salt. Grab our noodle. Now that this is done, we're going to grab some pasta water. This pasta water is gold. We're going to add in just a little bit of it and we're going to let it slowly reduce. The reason we add the pasta water in is so that when we add in our cream sauce, it doesn't curdle. It helps to combine everything together and make sure that it is all homogeneous and smooth and creamy. Look at that, that looks absolutely delicious. Okay, slowly incorporate our noodle, our fresh noodle in here. Add that in. Oh my goodness, look at how delicious that looks. If you have mushrooms, I would also add in mushrooms at this point, or some peas if you'd like for added color. Now for the most crucial step. We're going to turn off our heat, add in our mixture, and we're going to slowly mix everything together. We don't want it to be too hot or else it will curdle and nobody wants that. Oh God, I can't, okay, that's, you know, we're not gonna do that anymore. What I'm gonna do is finish it off with even more pepper and a tinge of salt, just a little bit. Okay, give it a good couple final stirs and we're ready to plate and serve. Grab a generous amount. Pull that up. Oh my God, look at that. Beautiful. And turn it. And release. Grab an egg yolk. Finish it off. Add that right in the center. Oh, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. What we're going to finish it off with is some nori for extra umami flavor. Just add that right on top. Take a little bit of some furikake for extra seasoning. And we're going to finish it off with a generous amount of some spring onions. Oh. Beautiful. That looks so beautiful. And there you have it. Beautiful, Japanese-inspired carbonara, ready in less than 15 minutes, right in the comfort of your own home. Look at that beautiful egg yolk. I like to add egg yolk in for extra creaminess. Oh, as I open that up, it just runs down. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Mmm. Mmm. Absolutely delicious. It is creamy, it is umami. You have the Japanese fusion in here. Absolutely delicious. And there you have it, an easy Japanese-inspired carbonara right in the comfort of your own home. As always, full recipe details will be below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you don't miss a beat because we drop videos every Saturday and we will see you guys next week. Well, pasta la vista, baby. Ciao, ciao. Was that good?